Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can select to paste a link between two cells so that when the value in the copied cell is changed, the value displayed in the linked cell reflects the change as well. This is very handy when using the result of a formula as the basis for other formulas in linked workbooks or worksheets. For example, let's say you had a spreadsheet that totaled salespeople for each month in the quarter, and you also had a cell that totaled all the quarterly sales. Let's say we wanted to copy the result of that formula and link it into a sales by quarter spreadsheet where we were going to keep track of all the quarterly sales. To do that, we would first select the cell that contains the value that we want to link into another workbook or worksheet. Then we would choose Copy from the standard toolbar. Click into the cell where you would like to paste the link and choose Edit from the menu bar and the Paste Special command. In the Paste Special dialog box, simply click the Paste Link button in the lower left corner to paste a link between the two cells. However, if you're using Excel 2003, an easier way to create a link between two cells after copying the original is to simply click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Paste button and choose the Paste Link command there. If you examine the contents of the linked cell, you'll see that when we paste a link between cells, it actually pastes a formula into the destination cell. The formula simply states that the cell's value is to be equal to the value displayed in the cell address shown within the formula. The cell address references are all that were really copied. So for example, here it knows to look in the yearly sales workbook in the first quarter sheet at cell B6. If you use this feature to paste links between data in separate workbooks, then you should exercise care not to rename or move those workbooks. Doing so will break any links in the formula references created by the Paste Link button, forcing you to delete the links and recreate them again, or edit the formula references within each linked cell. As long as you do not move or rename the workbooks, then you should be able to change the value in the cells from which you copied and then save your changes. So for example, let's say that John's sales for January were really 18,000. I'll go back and change his January sales, which updates the first quarter sales to 217,828. Save my changes and close it out. The next time that you open up the linked workbook, you will see a small dialog box appear telling you that the workbook contains links to data in other workbooks which has changed. It then asks you if you would like to update the values in the linked cells to reflect the changes. So here we can see that this still has the 217,208. We changed that, and so to update it, we simply click the Update button, which then updates the information. Be sure to save the changes that you made in this workbook as well.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.